Are you trying to situate yourself for your next career move? Or you're looking to create a lead generation strategy and a lead nurture strategy to help with your sales? LinkedIn is the right tool for you. But how do you leverage LinkedIn with all of the content generation and the relationship building without the overwhelm that comes with it? You've already got a busy life. What you need is an AI tool that really helps you level up your LinkedIn game. You need a flywheel that creates momentum with every post, with every relationship that you're building. Enter Taplio. Taplio is your AI solution to growing and building your audience on LinkedIn. So how do we do this? How do we leverage Taplio and we build momentum, we create this brand, and we don't get overwhelmed? We use the Fogg model. The Fogg model enables us to change behavior with obviously the motivation that we need, the ability, and most importantly, prompting us for that change. Taplio gives us the motivation by having an AI content generation tool. And it provides us the prompt by giving us an ability to schedule our posts and remind us of when we need to post and how we need to garner engagement. So let's dive into it. Taplio is dense with features. It's got an AI content generation tool, the scheduling tool that we talked about to bulk plan your content strategy. Then it's got a viral content library, enabling you to see what's really resonating with the audience in your niche, and you can draw inspiration from that. Data-driven decisions. We talk about it, Taplio delivers it. It's got an analytics tool that enables you to see which posts are performing the best and how you can double down on it to either repurpose it or create similar content to continue to drive that engagement. And then there is the networking tool that really enables you to nurture your relationships and really focus on building those to drive your LinkedIn momentum. Let's keep that flywheel going. Let's dive into it. The AI content generation tool. This one makes life easy. It is such a time saver to be able to go into the tool, type in an idea, or even have the AI generator generate the idea for you. And then it also generates the hook to get your target audience's attention. How easy is that? Let's start with testing out a post. Let's have the AI tool generate an idea for us. Wow, look at that. This is interesting. Let's also ask it to generate a hook. Not bad. But that's not all. One of the real beauties of this tool is generating a carousel based off of an article or a YouTube link. So we're gonna test it out. Let's go. Let's grab one of our YouTube videos and see how well it does with the carousel images. Wow, I'm quite impressed. This is really cool. I'm a little bit particular about leveraging my brand colors, so I'll probably take the content and then put it into my own template, but this makes life so much easier in developing the right content in the right way that I can just input in my template. The analytics dashboard is a beauty. It's very easy, and if you download the plugin, it makes it super easy for you to go into your LinkedIn profile, see which posts are performing, how your growth is doing, and be able to make decisions accordingly. Now for my absolute favorite. This network builder makes it so much easier to really build on your audience. I would start with 3 lists. The first list is about folks that are interacting, liking my posts, and commenting. I really like to reciprocate their efforts and give back. The second list, these are folks that I have learned from in my career that have had a really positive impact on me in my life and my career. I like to engage with them and continue to nurture my relationships. The third list, this one's a big one. This one is the lead generation piece. What is the audience that I really want to target? For that next career move, who would be the decision makers that can enable that move for me? Or if I'm trying to sell a product, what are the titles of the folks that would be interested in this product for the organization? And how do I really tap into and understand their pain points and deliver my product or service as a solution for them? You definitely have to give this one a try. If you have CRM tools, Taplio integrates really well with that and makes it super easy for your marketing and your sales team to deliver on their results, leveraging Taplio and the CRM tool in combination. So why should you care about Taplio? Taplio makes LinkedIn brand building seamless, smooth, saves you time, and allows you to really focus in on activities that generate value for your customers. So give it a try. They have a 7-day trial period and then a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can just test the waters before you dive right in. If you're interested in AI tools and how those could help propel your career, give us a like and hit subscribe. We've got lots of tools we're really eager to share with you. So see you next time, and thanks for watching.